This is a short video introducing wide range of brand new design and products. Integrated Modular Outdoor Structures, IMOS, which is specially and purposely designed for big hardware chain stores where maximum possible range of products should be presented to end customers with minimum possible investment. And also an appropriate product must be cost-effective, easily stackable, user-friendly, do-it-yourself, easy to assemble and disassemble with minimum level of skills, easy to carry within store and also by customers' small vehicles, easily extendable and retractable, light in weight, reusable, relocatable, less dealing with end customers, long-lasting and durable, maintenance-free, sustainable, not being returned by end customers, mistake-proof in assembly, prefabricated and machined precisely. After 4 years of working hard on this project, finally we believe that all mentioned criteria have been met to satisfy big hardware chain stores' requirements. In this short video we are trying to show you very brief information about IMO's advantages, capabilities and competencies. 1. Selling very limited number of individual parts instead of heavy and bulky flat packages. We know that hardware chain stores and even medium-sized retailers prefer to minimize the amount of stock that they have to keep in their warehouse to avoid heavy investment. Using our online fully automated configuration system located in our website, warehouses don't have to stock huge amount of goods to have only very limited number of products. Our system actually turns that into opposite way around. How this works? That's quite straightforward and efficient in 3 simple steps. 1. Using our website, choose your own appropriate product, let's say shed with 3 meters width. As you can see here, the 3D fully assembled product can be seen with acceptable resolution. You can also rotate the model around, or even by zooming in you can get inside the 3D model to find out what does the finalized product look like. 2. Using the drop-down menus, pick up your own desired parameters to make any changes into your product. For example, in this product you can change shed depth, veranda depth, floor finish, walls finish, suspended ceiling, interior cladding, adjustable feet, guttering system, insulation, or even removing the roof to see what's going on with suspended ceiling. 3. Download bill of material to see all the parts required for building the shed and also the quantity of each part including part number and description. Practically in the warehouse each actual single part is labeled with unique part number and description. The only thing that end customer needs to do is to pick up the required labeled parts from the warehouse. 4. Fully automated instant quotation system. They can also find out how much would be the total cost of project, unit price and amount. Each time you change the parameters, the bill of material, total project cost, unit price and amount will be updated automatically according to new product. Also, a photo of finalized product and a short message to end customers is included in downloadable document. 5. Each product has its own step-by-step assembly instruction animation video. You just need to play related animation and follow the steps. In the animation video each individual part is labeled with its unique part number and description. 2. Providing quite wide range of products by stocking very limited number of individual parts in the warehouse. A. Sheds with or without veranda in unlimited sizes and configurations. All the sheds can be extended in an interval of 1 meter longitudinally and or laterally up to infinity in all 4 directions. For example, this shed can be extended, let's say 20 meters longitudinally and let's say 20 meters laterally, which is 400 square meter roofed area. Later on in this video we'll show you how incredibly easy will be assembling, extending and retracting of the sheds. The smallest size starts from 1 meter longitudinally and 2 meters laterally, so the smallest shed is 2 meters by 1 meter. There are different finishing options for walls and floors. For example, in the wall panels the exterior cladding can be wood or color bond, and in floor panels the finish can be particle board, laminate or tile. Also, there are different levels of accessories from entry level, which can be said storage garden shed, to high-end options which can be said granny flat like suspended ceiling, interior cladding, adjustable feet, insulation and guttering system which can be added optionally by end customers. All the sheds with any size and configuration can be built up and bolted directly into slab, soil, grass, asphalt or tile where the base being attached to the shed is not required. Adjustable feet in different sizes also can be used for any uneven or sloped surfaces. There is also another optional section which can be attached to the sheds, which is roofed or unroofed veranda and or balustrade, which can be added to the sheds at any time even after full assembly very easily, once again in an interval of 1 meter longitudinally and or laterally up to infinity in all 4 directions. Additionally, configuration of walls, windows and doors can be totally optional. It means all the wall panels, window panels and door panels are interchangeable with each other. For example, in this shed all the walls can be replaced with window or door or combination of walls, windows and doors. The only thing that end customer needs to do is swapping walls, window or door panels with each other as required in bill of material being downloaded from our website to work out the total project cost. B. Carports for 1 up to unlimited number of cars in different configurations. All the carports range is capable of extending in up to unlimited number of cars. It can be extended in an interval of 1 meter longitudinally or laterally in both directions. C. Garages for 1 up to unlimited number of cars in different configurations. All the garages range is capable of extending in up to unlimited number of cars. It can be extended in an interval of 1 meter longitudinally or laterally in 4 directions. All of specifications are quite similar to the shed other than base, which in garages there is no base, as the garage walls can be bolted directly into concrete slab, soil or grass. Automatic garage door and all its accessories, which is sectional or tilt door, comes in one separate pack for single or double garage with individual single part number and can be installed in one or both ends of garages. All the door parts and accessories are prefabricated, pre-drilled, pre-measured and fully welded, ready to install for end customers. D. Greenhouses with or without veranda in unlimited sizes and configurations. All the greenhouses can be extended in an interval of 1 meter longitudinally and or laterally up to infinity in all 4 directions. Greenhouses are quite similar to sheds and its accessories, but in greenhouses wall panels being swapped with glass panels and also in roof panels instead of ColorBond, clear polycarbonate corrugated roofing being used. As you can see here, each glass panel can be swapped with window or door panel, as many as required. All the bases in greenhouses are water resistant. E. Decks in unlimited sizes and configurations. The smallest size of decking module is 2 meter by 1 meter and it can be extended in 4 directions up to infinity longitudinally and or laterally in an interval of 1 meter with adjustable legs in different lengths suitable for sloped or uneven surfaces. All deck modules are raised freestanding and can be installed on every surface like grass, concrete slab, asphalt or soil. F. Gazebos in unlimited sizes and configurations. All gazebos can be extended from 1 meter by 2 meter up to infinity in 4 horizontal directions. Modular balustrade is another optional choice for 1 or more sides of gazebos as required. G. Stages in unlimited sizes and configurations. Stages are actually raised decking panels with longer adjustable legs for temporary or permanent use. Like decking panels, this is also extendable up to infinity in all directions. H. Cubes in unlimited sizes and configurations. All cubes can be extended from 1 meter by 2 meters up to any required size. They can be built up with or without base. I. Playsets in different configurations, with same assembly instructions for other products. Playsets with different arrangements can be built up. J. Kennels aviaries in different sizes. This can be made with or without base modules and different sizes. K. Endless combination configurations. Combination of different products is possible to configure and customize numberless of shapes and arrangements, resulted in vast range of configurations based on end customers' requirements. We believe this gives the customers the ability to use their own creativity and idea to create new and unique configurations and arrangements inspired from their requirements. These are just a few out of numberless possible arrangements, as it is impossible to show you all. 3. Easy to assemble and disassemble. Basically, all parts are particularly designed for end buyers who have minimum level of technical skills. Indeed, anyone who is able to drive basic tools like Allen key or screwdriver or spanner and lifting a weight around 15 kilograms can actually assemble all range of products. The only required tools are Allen key set, single-size hex socket, middle-size spanner, step ladder and level, in sloped surfaces. Unlike other existing modular structures, no drilling, no ground digging, no hammering, no nailing, no sawing, no welding, no measuring is required at all. Another advantage is that ceiling assembly is precisely designed to avoid the assembler climbing on the roof. It means all roofing assembly will take place from under roofing areas to reduce hazard risks and also speed up the time taken for assembly. Above advantages make it very quick to assemble and disassemble and obviously resulted in saving time and costs. 4. Minimizing health and safety hazards. Considering above advantages clearly shows that safety issues and considerations being reduced noticeably and resulted in decreasing insurance costs. 5. Temporary usage and relocatability. Ease of assembly and disassembly make IMOS products suitable option for temporary use of wide variety of our products. Although assembly and disassembly of all over IMOS products is quite easy, quick and straightforward, but they are absolutely freestanding, firm, solid and unshakable structures. This is because in design considerations it's always been trying to avoid and eliminate permanent joiners purposely such as nails, glues, rivets, welds, adhesive insulation and etc. This capability is great for those places where short-term structures are required such as building sites, rented properties, non-permanent exhibitions and etc. If by any reason end user would like to change from one product to another, majority of main parts can be used in other products as well. 6. Very limited number of stocking parts. In this system we've always tried to minimize the number of stocking parts as less as possible to reduce required space for stocking so that each part has multiple applications in different positions and products. To achieve this, each part has multiple functions to increase efficiency and effectiveness as much as possible. For example, roofing system is the same for all products range. 7. Durability, strength and accuracy. All the structures and modules including frames are made out of durable rectangular or square hollow section stainless steel 304 grade or galvanized steel as requested with minimum thickness of 1.5 mm which are prefabricated, precisely CNC machined, fully welded, pre-drilled fastener holes and pre-measured in accurate fixtures. We offer Western red cedar or treated pine for exterior wall cladding and merbau for decking. 9. Easy to transport and deliver. All the parts are designed to occupy the space as less as possible. As the biggest part has 6 meters long, 0.8 meter width and 0.1 meter height, if 6 meters width structures are needed. This helps and customers to be able to transport required parts with their own vehicles easily. Since all the parts are being provided separately to the consumers, they have their own choice to carry them by multiple trips. 10. Water and wind resistant. Without applying any kind of adhesive water or wind sealant or insulation even in ceilings components, all the products are 100% waterproof. Entire range of products is strong enough to resist against the wind in any harsh weather condition. 11. Interchangeable parts. If by any reason end user would like to change from one product to another, let's say from shed to cubes, majority of main parts in this case for example all roofing and floor panels are exactly the same and can be used in other products as well. 12. Stackability. All the parts, especially bigger ones, are capable of being stacked horizontally or vertically in a manner that the wasted space between the parts are minimized as less as possible. As you can see in this example, the required room for 3 meter by 3 meter shed including attached bases is only 3179 mm by 988 mm by 784 mm.